'Cause I'm slowly breaking down, even when I hold you close. Oh, and if I lose you, I'm afraid I would lose who I gave.
Look at your face. Say good morning. Good morning. Say good morning. Good morning. Good morning, guys. So today is Tuesday? Tuesday, yes, Tuesday. It's Tuesday. And I'm getting ready to go out to the bank to go pick up dinner. Anyone see my purse? I'm gonna run to the store. I have a lot to do today. And it's 8:30, so I want to get a good start on it. Jackson, could you put that away? Got your shoe on? Jason, you got your shoe? Why is there a stain on your pants? Is that dirty pants? Anyway, I gotta get these kids ready to go.
Bum bums. Bum bums. What did he eat? Bum bum. Bum bum. Come here. Let's see, works. Whitey? What are you going to watch? My favorite. Okay. Here.
Maddie.
Why? Whitey? What else you want to? Which one does he just? Why you do that? Which one does he just two? I don't know. One. This one.
We forgot to buy her apple juice.
Oh my goodness. No, you can't have the spoon. You're already dirty enough. You got your banana if you want it. So yeah. Yeah? Yeah? Also, Jordan won't know that that Jordan didn't know that we lived. No, you can't have it.
So, I forgot you guys on the table. Hi, Bunny.
And I have candy.
You got candy. I love you.
And I have no $1.
I forgot you guys on the table.
What?
I went Ray done hunting for the first time in a while. And I didn't find anything. I didn't find anything. Nothing. But my really good friend, she went and she had a really nasty encounter with someone at the store. It was really bad. And then she took it to the next level. Like, she posted it on social media. She posted the encounter on Facebook, and then everybody else that wasn't even there started jumping and started bashing my friend, not even knowing the situation. Like, come on now, people. I mean, we're adults. Like, that's bad. That's internet bullying. I don't like people. And the sad part is, this girl, I personally met her when Maddie was like really young. I met up with her with my newborn in the rain to go deliver a mug that she wanted for her mom for Mother's Day. And I sold the mug to her at retail. And the mug came from a good friend. You know what I mean? And it's like, don't be nasty and don't be rude. It's just pottery. At the end of the day, it's just material things. It's just like, for people to act that way over things. I mean, this is a human being that you went ahead and put down just because you felt like your feelings got hurt. Like, when did we get to this point where things are more important than human beings? But anyways, my rant is over. But I didn't find anything. I was gonna buy pillows for my couch, but then I was like, wait a minute, aren't we supposed to be saving to buy a house? Like, why would I want to drop $200 on pillows when, in all actuality, I could wait and then buy everything up for a house? So, and have less to move with.
Me.
Can you have what?
Popsicle.
A popsicle? I'll think about it. But anyways, yeah, that's that.
Here's the side. You can get a good Daddy.
Honey, did you put oil in there?
Daddy,
You did? It just sounded so flat, like it wasn't heated all the way.
Daddy, I just realized this is.
Ew!
Let's put a little bit.
No.
So it don't stick.
Mommy.
I'll put a little oil in there.
Please put oil in the Yes, honey.
I had already oil.
I realized this is broken.
Okay. It's gonna stay that way unless we replace it. We ask the leasing office for another one. Oh Lord. I'm holding Miss Mad here. I'm supposed to be cooking rice and peas, but I can't do that because Maddie wants to get in everything. Look at her face.
Oh, you're making the rice and peas.
I know I am.
I'll make the chicken.
And I'm making cornbread or sweet corn cake, whichever. Because we're black, it can be because I'm black, it could be corn cake. No. Because I'm black, it could be cornbread, or because my husband is Spanish, it could be sweet corn cake. Either or.
Trash. Trash.
We like versatile dishes like that, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So we have this new thing going now where my husband cooks with me in the evening. What's wrong? She sure is miserable. I think she done explore every ounce of this apartment, so she's like, ain't nothing new. Watch your hand, Jason. She's like, there's nothing new down here. So anyways, yeah, I'm supposed to be doing that, but I had to hold Maddie. So I'm gonna go. Yeah, we started this new thing where my husband cooks with me in the kitchen. It motivates me more to cook because he's in there with me, and it feels good to be cooking with my husband. So hopefully we can continue.
It's because I'm getting up early.
And it's because he's getting off early.
Don't get used to it.
Did you guys hear that? Don't get used to it. I was starting to get used to it. That's the idea.
Don't get used to it, 'cause I won't be up early every day no more.
Whatever.
Here, I might as well help you.
I appreciate the help. So I'm gonna go help my hubs cook. And Maddie's like holding on to my leg. Mad, let go. We got the baby gate up.
I got the thin hair.
My husband put the gate up. So that little one right there can't come across. You can't come across. You cannot come over here. Ooh! I thought she was gonna fall on her head.
Where's her bottle for juice?
Her juice bottle? Maddie, where's your juice bottle?
She's got apple juice in her thing.
No, Maddie. Maddie. Madison or Leah, get down. There you go. Don't do that. I have a Fitbit, guys. No, it's not a Fitbit. Yeah, it is. I got a Fitbit Blaze. I want to be able to track my, what's this? My activity. So, I'm going to go ahead and open this. I'll show you guys what it looks like. I'm excited. So, I happened to open it. Here, Mama. Okay. So, not so much. Okay, so here's the watch. This is so difficult. So here's a watch. And I don't know what this is. Okay, this is the setup. think this is the charger. Let's see what this is. Oh yeah, this is the charger. Yeah, this is the charger. So I'm gonna go set it up and come back.